Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 5 seconds. After that, you just open it and it will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it can fix this problem. If it doesn't, also I recommend it to check is you tap at the touch control. So the touch control is located at the back side of the charging case, of the earbuds right here with the Soundcore logo. We have touch controls. And the last one, if it didn't help you, at this here I recommend to open Soundcore application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. You need to tap on your device here at the device list and scroll down, go to the controls. So by default, this gesture for the single press and for the triple press is disabled. So you need to enable it. Also, you can change, customize it, change something else and check is it work. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!